This is the fourth video on modern history. We have started the series on modern history. Basically, this is a series of modern history on MCQ questions. In case you have not seen the previous ones, please go to my playlist, and also I am giving links in the description so you can watch from there. In case you want PDF of the content, you can join me on my Telegram channel. I am giving PDF there. So this is today's video. I have selected a few more questions. Let's start. Number 46 of the series. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? One side this is leaders and the other side this is center of revolt. Basically this is center of revolt during 1857 সিপাহী mutiny. একদিকে আছে সিপাহী বিদ্রোহের নেতারা, তাদের নাম, আর একদিকে সিপাহী বিদ্রোহের লোকেশনগুলো যেখানে যেখানে হয়েছিল। ইউ হ্যাভ টু চুজ কারেক্টলি ম্যাচড পেয়ার। সঠিক ম্যাচ সেই জোড়াটা বার করতে হবে। নানা সাহেব কানপুর, কুনওয়ার সিং বিহার, জেনারেল খান লখনৌ। I am giving you 10 seconds. Try to mark your answer. Basically, Nana Sahib Kanpur, correct. Kunwar Singh Bihar, this is also correct. General Khan Lucknow, this is incorrect. General Khan was in charge of monitoring the mutiny in Delhi. So, this is 1 and 2 will be correctly matched pair. Number 47. Select correct statement about Arya Samaj. First, it talked about a revival of Vedic culture. It opposed minimum age of marriage. আরিয়া সমাজ সম্বন্ধে সঠিক বাক্যটি সিলেক্ট করতে হবে। এক নম্বর বলছে এটা বৈদিক সভ্যতা তার কালচারকে পুনরুত্থান করার জন্য ছিল, এবং নাম্বার 2 বিয়ের ন্যূনতম বয়স রাখার বিরোধী ছিল এটা আরিয়া সমাজ। কারেক্ট স্টেটমেন্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু চুজ। Correct option is it talked about revival of Vedic culture, and this is incorrect. It opposed minimum age of marriage, although Arya Samaj, but it did not oppose minimum age of marriage. Actually, it recommended that there should be minimum age for women and for men. Answer will be Burma. During Anglo-Burman War, after the war, Yandabo treaty signed between British and Burma. At that time, British were in colonial expansion work in Assam, and after the treaty, there were some compromise between two nations. Question 51. Choose correct statements about Good Government Act of India. So you have to know which act is called Good Government Act first. It said it transferred all the power from East India Company to the British Crown. Yes, East India Company থেকে British Crown মানে ব্রিটিশ রানীর কাছে সমস্ত পাওয়ার চলে গেছিল। It ended the system of double government in India. ভারতবর্ষের দ্বৈত শাসন ব্যবস্থা শেষ হয়েছিল। Secretary of State was vested with complete authority and control over Indian administration. Secretary of State কে ইন্ডিয়ান অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশনের কমপ্লিট অথরিটি এবং ক্ষমতা দেওয়া হয়েছিল। 8. Next one, question 48. Which of the following pair are incorrect? You have to choose incorrect pair. Number of Santal Rebellion, Sido Kanho, Theosophical Movement, Colonel Olcott, Justice Movement, H.P. Blavatsky. 10 seconds for you. এই পেয়ারগুলোর মধ্যে যেটা ইনকারেক্ট সেটা চুজ করতে হবে। Let's see. Santal Rebellion, Shido Kano. They are in the position of leadership. Theosophical movement, Colonel Olcott. Yes, correct. This is Colonel Olcott above H.B. Blavatsky. They together worked for establish in Theosophical movement. Justice movement is this is incorrect. As T.N. Mudaliar with another few persons, they flagship this justice movement. Questions 49. Teaching of whom inspired Wahhabi movement? Wahhabi movement. Basically, Wahhabi movement was a revivalist movement in Islam sect. Your option is Sayyid Ahmed Khan, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Abdul Wahab and Shah Waliullah. Teaching of whom? Answer will be Abdul Wahab. Abdul Wahab and Shah Waliullah, they were the major character behind establishing Wahhabi movement. And teachings of Abdul Wahab, he was from Arab. Teaching of Abdul Wahab inspired Wahhabi movement. Number 50. Which country signed Treaty of Yandabo with the British? Treaty of Yandabo. কোন দেশ ব্রিটিশদের সঙ্গে ট্রিটি অফ ইয়ান্দাবো সাইন করেছিল? নাম্বার 1 চায়না, নাম্বার 2 ভিয়েতনাম, নাম্বার 3 হংকং, নাম্বার 4 বার্মা. You have to choose correct statement. Option 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, and 2 and 3 only. All the statement is correct. Good Government Act is said the Act of 1858 after the Sipai Mutiny. It created the Secretary of State post, and in which all the complete authority and control were given for Indian administration. It ended the system of double government in India. That means it ended Board of Directors and Board of Control posts, and of course it transferred all the power from East India Company to the British Crown. Henceforth, India was administered in the name of British Crown. Next, question 52. Choose incorrect statements. You have to choose incorrect statement. First one, Tattvabodhini Potrika was published in Sanskrit. Tattvabodhini Sabha was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Incorrect statement. So this is incorrect. Tattvabodhini Potrika was published in Bengali. It is published in Bengali. And also Tattvabodhini Sabha was founded by Devendranath Tagore. So both are incorrect. Next, who started the weekly Satya Prakash? D.K. Karve, Karsandas Mulji, Vishnu Shastri Pandit, Dayanand Saraswati. Satya Prakash basically was a weekly magazine. Answer is Karsandas Mulji. Next one. Question number 54. The kingdom of Awadh was annexed by whom? Lord Cornwallis, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Bentinck. Answer is Lord Dalhousie. And here one important fact you should know, because sometimes these questions come in the examination, that by which means Awadh was annexed by Lord Dalhousie. Is it doctrine of lapse used for annexation of Awadh? Answer is no. Lord Dalhousie annexed Awadh by saying misgovernment. He induced misgovernment for annexation of Awadh. So this fact you should be remembered. This fact should be remembered. Next one, number 55. Which act provided provision for investment of 1 lakh rupees each year for education of Indians? কোন অ্যাক্টের মাধ্যমে এই প্রভিশনটা তৈরি হয়েছিল, যে প্রভিশনের মাধ্যমে 1 লাখ টাকা বাৎসরিক 1 লাখ টাকা ইন্ডিয়ার মানুষের শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থার জন্য রাখা হতো? চার্টার অ্যাক্ট 1838, চার্টার অ্যাক্ট 1813, কিডস ইন্ডিয়া অ্যাক্ট 1784, গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়া অ্যাক্ট 1935. This is basically an important statement. You have to keep it in mind. And also, by the virtue of this act, English missionaries came to India to preach their culture, religion, education. Also, through this act, they advocated for the introduction of English language in India. The act is Chartered Act 1813. Number 56. Choose the correctly matched pair. Institution established by Vedanta College, Dayanand Saraswati, Hindu College, De Villiers, Sanskrit College, Raja Rammohn Roy. Vedant College was established by Raja Rammohn Roy. So this is incorrect. Hindu College, De Villiers, correct. And Sanskrit College was established by Duncan in Benares. This is also incorrect. So correct option will be your only this one, B2 only. Next, question 57. During Sipahi Mutiny of 1857, who of the following supported the British? 1857 খ্রিস্টাব্দে মহাবিদ্রোহ বা সিপাহী বিদ্রোহের সময় নিম্নলিখিত ব্যক্তিদের মধ্যে কারা ব্রিটিশদেরকে সমর্থন করেছিল? বেসিক্যালি অ্যাক্টিভলি সমর্থন করেছিল, সক্রিয়ভাবে। ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ নিজাম অফ হায়দ্রাবাদ, সেকেন্ড ওয়ান দ্য হালকার অফ ইন্দোর, third Raja of Jodhpur, and fourth Sindhia of Gwalior. You have to identify them. There is a problem in the option. Actually, all of them supported the British. So answer in option, there should be one option, all of the above, all. There is a problem in the option. Because Nizam of Hyderabad, the Holkar of Indore, Raja of Jodhpur, Sindhia of Gwalior, along with few other, they supported British. Number 58. Which is are correct about Indian Council Act 1861? Number 1. It started decentralization of Indian Legislative Council. It empowered Viceroy to promulgate ordinance without concurrence of Legislative Council. Number 3. By virtue of this act, for the first time, Indians joined Indian Legislative Council, basically Indian Central Legislative Council. 1861 খ্রিস্টাব্দের ইন্ডিয়ান কাউন্সিল অ্যাক্ট সম্বন্ধে কোনটা সঠিক? এই অ্যাক্টটা শুরু করেছিল বিকেন্দ্রীকরণ অফ ইন্ডিয়ান লেজিসলেটিভ কাউন্সিল। বিকেন্দ্রীকরণ শুরু হয়েছিল, ভাইসরয় অর্ডিন্যান্স তৈরি করতে পারত, এবং এই অ্যাক্টের মাধ্যমে প্রথম ইন্ডিয়া মানে ভারতীয় জনগণ ইন্ডিয়ান সেন্ট্রাল লেজিসলেটিভ কাউন্সিল, যে ভারতীয় যে সেন্ট্রাল লেজিসলেটিভ কাউন্সিল তৈরি হয়েছিল সেখানে জয়েন করতে পেরেছিল ফর দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম। কোনটা কারেক্ট? Basically, all the options are correct, because in Indian Council Act 1861 it started decentralization of Indian Council, because Legislative Council at the end of province also started, and Yes, Indians joined Indian Legislative Council, and Viceroy was given authority to promulgate ordinance without even concurrence of legislative councils, and it was valid for 6 months. This this is also valid for Indian Constitution even today. Next 59, and this is the last question. The act made Governor General of Bengal as Governor General of India. It ended the activity of East India Company as a commercial body. Which act is being referred here? এই অ্যাক্টটার মাধ্যমে গভর্নর জেনারেল অফ বেঙ্গল হয়েছিল গভর্নর জেনারেল অফ ইন্ডিয়া, and it ended the activity of East India Company as a commercial body. Pitt's India Act 1784, Charter Act 1833, Act of 1851, sorry 58, and Act of 1861. Answer is Charter Act of 1833. By this act, it ended the activity of East India Company as a commercial body because by this time East India Company became a purely administrative body. And of course, Governor General of Bengal was made Governor General of India, and William Bentinck was first Governor General of India. So friends, this is all for now. I will make another video. Next video of the series will come up soon. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.